what's the problem? I mean, I can't. You're talking in riddles. Young lady, let me tell you something. Do you know what it's like to work out there from early morning till late at night, work 2 and 3 jobs, bust your butt?
Well, something's happened.
You have to tell me what Peter did. I need to know. I'm your mother. Listen, I am your mother.
I can't tell you.
We will sort through this. Yes, there is a way, and I will find a way. I have connection. It's okay.
I can't.
Not to worry. We will talk about this. You'll be fine. You don't know anything about the world, child.
Maybe I am.
Oh, yes,
Depends on
I
what you
do.
think about.
I don't get it.
You don't know, do you?
Peter, what
am I supposed to know?
Oh,
it's all about it.
Darling, don't worry about it. It's okay. Nina, darling. Don't get upset. We'll sort this out. But end of conversation. Do you understand? Mina, darling, it's so good to see you. Do have a wonderful Christmas time, okay? I'll talk to you. Young lady. Did you say that? It's okay. You're talking in riddles. Do you know what it's like to work out there? I am your mother. Don't worry about anything. You'll be fine, Nina, darling. Don't get upset.
Mina.